How to remove inactive friends on Facebook. So after you open up your Facebook app like this, go to menu. From this menu, now go and search for friends. Here is it, friends. After you select friends, now go and tap on this your friends. From this list, go to sort. After you tap on this sort, now go to oldest friends first. So from this option, now scroll all the way to down. If you scroll to down, scroll to down. So for now, Facebook doesn't, now just scroll to down, scroll to down. Let's say now I want to check this person whether he is active or inactive. So just open up the person profile like this. After you open the person profile, now scroll to down, scroll to down. So go ahead and look for his post. As you can see now, this person has made a post on this on 1st of February, and now we are in March. So this person seems to be like he's active or inactive, and he made his second post on April 9 April of 2024. So this person has been like on Facebook for like longest the time, and he's not making like posting us on his Facebook. So for now, Facebook doesn't allow you to see a specific button to filter the inactive friends. Facebook doesn't allow you, but you can be able just to do it manually, to go and just open up all the friends profile and check on their post whether they are making posts or they are not making posts. From there, you can specify who are active and who are inactive among your friends. That's it, guys. Hope you found this video helpful. Please like and subscribe.